to do a look using green and purple. When we decided to do that, I was a bit lost because I hate green, but you know, I went on the internet, Pinterest, I was looking for ideas. I didn't really find anything helpful, so you know, but finally I decided to just do a halo eyeshadow look, and I was like what could possibly go wrong? And you know, and this is it. I hope you guys really like it. If you do like it, don't forget to leave me a comment down below, and if you have video ideas that you'd like to see on my channel, please comment and I will get to work. And today I also tried out for the first time, okay, not for the first time, the second time, this Zaron oil block mattifier. It's a new product by Zaron. If you want to see a review about this, please leave a comment in the comment section, or maybe I'll just talk to you guys about it. So as you can see, it's in a white bottle. It looks like milk of magnesia. It dries like milk of magnesia. I think it's milk of magnesia, only that maybe this is made for the face actually. And so far it's really good, but I did notice that it clogs the pore. Like the first time I used it, the next day I was oiling out like crazy on those particular areas, even though I moisturize. So you don't want to be using this all the time. Just use this, you know, when it's very important. And then I used the Tekevwe face primer on the other part of my face, and for the first time also, okay, the second time, sorry, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation. If you want to see a very detailed review about this foundation, in fact, see, whether you guys request for it or not, I'm still going to make a video about this, like a demo, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But so far so good. This foundation is really legit. It's a bomb. And also for the first time, I'm trying out the Colourpop concealer, and I can tell you for a fact that this concealer is bomb. It's full coverage, blends out like a dream. However, it dries really fast, so you need to work very fast, and I advise using a damn beauty blender for a better coverage. Unfortunately, my beauty blender died, so I was stuck with using this ugly dry beauty blender. But if you guys know like vendors that sell very original beauty blenders, like, see, it has to last, and it's not so soft that when you wash it it tears or all that stuff. Please comment them in the comment section so I can go purchase one or two. Thank you so much. This intro is so long, but I don't want to deviate from the main purpose of this video, which is it's a collaboration. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's Easter, happy Easter, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys, bye. I'll be priming my eyes with this Tekevwe eyeshadow primer. Guys, I just want to tell you guys, this is not a sponsored post. This eyeshadow primer is the bomb, like, guys. So if you use this like your eyeshadow, like my eyeshadow has never cracked since I started using this. And to get it better, because it takes a while to dry up, so you might want to use a very small quantity. And another thing I really like about this is if you're working with you have to create like your cut crease and what's not. Once you use this and you're like drawing out the line, it kind of like takes off the color on your lid, which is very helpful, because you know, you don't have to clean the colors, and that doesn't affect the actual color that you want to apply on your lid. So I usually mix this with my what is it called, with my my concealer, but for the sake of this video I'm just going to be using this, and I'll be using the tiniest bits. You can see that I'm just going to put it at the back of my palm. This is what it looks like. It does look like a big, it's creamy, and the color is a bit pinkish cream, but you know, that doesn't matter as long as it's working, right? I'll use a blending brush and take a little bit and prime my lid. So you can see that I'm tapping, because if you make the mistake of swiping, it moves your concealer that you know you would buy, yeah, like super pigmented and you know, really nice. I'm going to use this dark purple here right on my crease. Just going to pat it in a C motion. Can you see? In a C shape rather. Just going to pat. Using this light purple here and a pink, just to blend out whatever harshness. Just going to take this purple. So I'm gonna go right ahead and duplicate this on my other eyes, and I'll be right back. And I use the Avon Cosmetics neon eyeshadow pigment. The green one is in the shade 11 and the yellow one is in the shade 4. I'm going to actually moisturize my face, and I'll be using a face cream for that purpose, just a little bit though, not too much. And I'm going to put that under my eyes, and the dry areas. Next, I'll be using the Zaron oil mattifier. This is their new oil primer. So it's like milk of magnesia. I don't know if you can, let me just put it, can you see? If not same, but I think this one is made for the face, so that's why it's a lot different. Just gonna pour some back of my pan. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna use this for like forever, because a little goes a long way. So you just put it on your oily zone, which is basically my T-zone, and just pat it in. Next, I'll be using the Ewarunke face primer on this part of my face. In the new foundation that I got of Cats, it's the Maybelline Superstay foundation. Guys, I've used this foundation just once and it's really came true with like this process that I use: moisturize your face, Zaron oil mattifier, then the Warunke primer on the rest of your face, and you're good to go. Like, I literally applied this foundation in the morning around 5, and when I got home, I mean, I was a tad bit oily, but that's a miracle because I would have been hot oily. Like, you could literally boil and fry plantain with the oil on my face. But anyways, I'll be using this foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 340 cappuccino, and it says full coverage foundation, up to 24 hours wear, seamless matte finish, breathable and comfortable, fades and transfer resistant. Okay, full coverage, yes. 24 hours, no. Seamless matte, yes. Breathable and comfortable, absolutely, girl. Fade and transfer resistant, nah. Oil free, doesn't clog pores, yes. And yeah, that's basically it. So I basically just helped you guys tick all the boxes. So if you want to a full review or a demo with this foundation, absolutely leave a comment in the comment section. I will definitely do that for you guys because I love you guys. So when I did wear this, I said when I wore this foundation for the very first time, somebody on Instagram suggested using a brush to apply it, that it looks better. Okay, so my beauty blender gave up and I decided to, why not try the brush? So this is a dry brush and I'll be using the foundation. Let me just pump. This is 1, 2. I don't like applying foundation on my forehead. I just like use the excess on the other parts of my face to apply. Just gonna clean that. And so I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pumps. Let's see if that gives the full coverage. It's breathable, like it's full coverage, and let's like see, that was the word that I've been looking for since I wore this foundation. Just look at this, just negodi. just look at this. Ooh, girl, just gonna and the reason why I'm not applying so much foundation under my eyes is because I'm gonna apply concealer, and the concealer is full coverage, so I don't want to be I don't want to apply too much product on my face, if that makes any sense. So I'm just using the excess of my brush to blend my forehead. And the reason why I don't like applying so much foundation on my forehead is because when you do that, it begins to fight with your edges, and then that's when you see like a break. So to avoid that, I usually don't apply. So I just use whatever leftover I have on the rest of my face. Ha! This is fire. To highlight my face, I'll be using the Colourpop concealer in the shade medium medium dark 32. This concealer is fire. Somebody also suggested using a brush. I don't know if I want to give that a try, so I'm just gonna apply it just a little bit under my eyes. Esther Photo Perfect pressed powder, and this is in the shade HW37, which is really dark. So I got this in the ASI package that I told you about. If you want to watch an unboxing of the ASI package that I got from Edgar and Esther, then click the card up there to watch that. So this is what it looks like. I really like the finishing of this powder. It's quite unfortunate that I didn't get my exact shade, but oh well, I'll just use this to contour. And I'm going to use Burning Love